Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change your Chevy Cruze oil filter. First, gather all necessary tools and supplies, including a new oil filter, an oil drain pan, a 13mm wrench, and a 24mm socket. Always ensure your engine is completely cool before beginning. This guide will help you perform this routine maintenance efficiently and safely, saving you time and money on professional services. Once your engine is cool, place your oil drain pan directly beneath the oil pan drain plug. Using a 13mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Allow ample time, typically around 10 to 15 minutes, for all the old engine oil to completely drain into the pan. This ensures you remove as much contaminated oil as possible. Now, locate the oil filter housing. Use a 24mm socket to carefully unscrew and remove the oil filter cap. Once the cap is off, gently pull out the old oil filter element and the two rubber O-rings. Replace these with the new filter and O-rings provided in your new filter kit. Lubricate the new O-rings with a little fresh oil before reinstalling the cap and tightening it securely. With the new filter in place and the drain plug reinstalled, it's time to add fresh engine oil. Consult your owner's manual for the exact oil type and capacity, typically around 4 to 5 quarts. Pour the new oil into the engine's fill port. Start the engine and let it run for about 1 minute, then shut it off. After a few minutes, check the oil level on the dipstick and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.